find the love within. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let it go. It's too early. All right, guys, it's Dom with Inside My Helmet. It's 4:20 in the morning, and we're about to embark on a historic journey. Actually, no, we're just going to go see my nephew up in Virginia. We've got 720 miles to the hotel, and we're about to suit up and ride. It's about 65 degrees this morning. It's a little brisk, so I'm going to throw on a sweater, button up my cut, and get this show on the road. Come on. Alright, well, my microphone, I think, got unplugged. So there's no telling how much of that ride got recorded, if at all. Kind of sucks. If anything, it'll make for some good B-roll footage. Maybe, maybe not. Took longer in the gas station than I wanted to, but I had to use the bathroom, and I got some breakfast, and I had to get some coffee to warm up because, man, it is chilly. Well, for this being a Buc-ee's, it does not feel like a Buc-ee's because it's not 90 degrees in Texas. It's 59 degrees in Cookeville or Crossville or wherever we're at. Crossville. Where's the stoplight? Is it right here? Is this where I stop at? I guess I stop here. So earlier I was saying how it is so nice to be on the road. Very much enjoy it. I love being on the road with my girlfriend. Love being on the road with the club, my father, my son, whoever. But I also like being on the road by my lonesome, just enjoying time with the shady lady. And my thoughts inside my helmet. Man, I cannot believe how brisk it is up here in elevation. But it is chilly. In my infinite wisdom, I did not bring my jacket, and I had it setting out You can probably see it. I had it setting on the boat, and it was so hot in the garage when I was putting on my sweater. I was like, I'm not gonna need it, because it's supposed to be pretty warm in Virginia where I'm going. I'm going all the way to the East Coast. I'm going to Newport News, Virginia. Like to check and make sure my saddlebags are locked. I bought me a 99-cent tire pressure gauge because I normally have a tire pressure gauge in my emergency kit, and I'm pretty sure it's in there, but I didn't want to dig through it, so I just went inside, spent $1 and got a tire pressure gauge just to check my tires. I ended up letting out a few pounds of air in the front tire. It's not much, but it does make a difference.
Here is something you can't understand. I can just kill a man. Here is something you can't understand. I can just kill a man. Here is something you can't understand. I can just kill a man. Here is something you can't understand. I can just kill a man. Here is something you can't understand. I've been going on a dumb shit, yo, because nothing is coming from it. I'm not gonna waste no time fucking around like I can love it. Come in, coming at ya. Really know I had to catch ya. Time for the
Well, I had to stop. Oh, I've stopped here before. Anyway, I had to stop and pay the water bill. Plus, man, I was droning. That was a pretty boring 81 miles. I was hoping to go about 150. But yeah, I woke up way too early. I'm thinking I should have brought my backrest. Hell, then I'd probably really fall asleep. Standing still in the sun feels good. It is a little brisk, and when you're going 80 miles an hour and 59 degrees, after a while you just start to feel it. And no better place to stop than Buc-ee's. I had to stop and get something to drink, some caffeine in me, because I was droning. I only did 80 miles that leg, wanted to do more, but no sense in pushing past, like, falling asleep. It's funny because people ask, how can you fall asleep on a motorcycle? Well, maybe it's just me, but sometimes when I got cruise control going and the shady lady's just so comfortable, the eyelids start to get a little heavy. But we got some caffeine, got some sugar. now we're back on the road. We'll see where the next gas stop is. Stay tuned. All they had was regular gas here, and I'm not putting that in the Shady Lady. But I did have to pee. That's a cool house. I think it's a visitor center, but we didn't stop to find out. Virginia is for lovers. Virginia's for lovers, so we might as well stop at Love's truck stop. The last gas station didn't have any premium, so we just took a piss and now we're gonna stop here. I know, girl. You're thirsty too. Let's follow this guy. Oh man, I don't know how we're gonna get back across this bridge. I guess wait our turn maybe? I don't know. This is crazy. Man, that truck going through there was like tight. Let's see, are we gonna go to Love's or are we gonna go to Circle K? Let's just go here. They probably don't get much business. Might as well. Let's see. $4.44 for premium. Man, that is pricey. Put my Odin glove right there. That's a perfect spot for it. There we go. See how thirsty she is. And drip some on the tank. That's par for the course. No receipt. Hop back on. Okay, and we're back off. Let's reset our odometer. That last leg was 171 miles. We have 293 miles to go, which means that we should only have to make one more gas stop. This is going to be interesting to try and get out of here. Let's take it by force. There you go. Oh, appreciate you. Thanks. That was nice of them.
Few inches later.
So I'm going to get there, check into the hotel, and then I might just Uber over to my nephew's house. Give the Shady Lady a break. It's been pretty brisk this whole ride, which I'm not going to complain because it's better than sweltering heat. And it's not like I'm freezing, it's just nice and cool. Alright, well, this is pretty boring, so I'm going to turn the camera off. Hopefully we don't sit here forever.
A few moments later.
Well, we are finally moving. Oh man, that guy is really close to that right side. This place could be too nice for me. Well, guys, as you can see, we made it. It was a grueling 720 miles. Took me 14 hours, but we got a nice villa here, nice resort we're staying at. So now I'm going to go spend time with my godson, and I will catch up with you guys later.